Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to be looking at dot plots and column graphs, and we're going to use these two types of graphs to represent our Smarties data. We're also going to look at calculating some of the things we talked about a few lessons ago, mean, median, mode range, and we'll have some practice on that stuff as well. But the first thing we're going to start with is going to be drawing a dot plot. So I want everyone to do this in their books with their own Smarties data. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting along the bottom axis here all of the different colors. So let's see if I can remember them all. Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, pink, and brown. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I'm missing one. I don't remember which one I'm missing, so that's okay. We're just going with those colours for now. And then up the side, we're going to put numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the way a dot plot works is, say for example, for every red Smartie you have, you put a dot here. So what I've just drawn there says that we have 3 red Smarties. And maybe we only had one yellow one, but maybe we had 4 orange ones. Maybe we had 2 green ones, 1 blue one, 2 purple ones, maybe we had 4 pink ones, and a brown one. Let's say our Smarties data looks something like that. I'll get you guys to pause this video here and do this for your Smarties data. Now, okay, hopefully you guys have done this for your Smarties data. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to turn this dot plot into a column graph. What I want you to do is I want you to do the column graph on a separate set of axes. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw this up again, okay, with the same setup with all the colors along the bottom and the numbers up the side. But I'm just going to show you that now instead of using dots, we're just going to draw a column. The column will come up to the 3 and then go down. We'll leave a small gap to the next one, and then it will go up to the 1 and down. We'll leave a small gap, we'll go up, and so on. Okay, I'm drawing this over the top of my dot plot just because I want you guys to see how these two graphs are similar, but I want you guys to be drawing this in your book as 2 separate graphs, okay? A dot plot and column graph. And I think these are fairly self-explanatory, fairly straightforward. In the dot plot, each dot represents 1 Smartie. In the column graph, we just read off the number that the column comes up to, and that tells us that there are 3 red Smarties. The yellow column comes up to here, so that tells us there was 1 yellow Smartie, and so on. The last thing I want to show you guys is this is an example of the kinds of questions that I'm going to get you to do today. This is using a dot plot to answer some questions about the data that's there. Okay, so this dot plot is showing us the results of the survey. How many pets do you have at your home? And this is a class that, let's say, we asked our class, do you have pets at home? How many do you have? So let's just answer these questions. How many children have 2 pets? Part A. So all we've got to do is we've got to find 2 pets here, and we've got to count how many dots there are. So 4 children have 2 pets at their home. Okay, what are the total number of kids that participated in this survey? Well, we've just got to count up how many dots we have in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I think it's 22. Just check me on that, because I may have counted it wrong. Okay, if you remember, the range, calculating the range, is the highest value minus the lowest value. So in this case, our highest value is 8. One family has 8 pets at home. And our lowest value is all these guys over here that have 0 pets at home. So the range of this data is 8. Now, the median number of pets, remember the median, we talked about this on Friday, I think it was. The median is the number that's in the middle. So the easiest way I think there is to find the median is to just cross off from the top and from the bottom one at a time until we end up in the middle. And then now we're only on the twos, on the ones column, so we know that our median is going to fall right here, and the median number of pets is going to be 1. Now, what is the outlier? Now, this is a word that we might not have introduced when we started talking about these things. The outlier, you might be able to guess from the name. The outlier is this data point here that is lying really far away from all the other ones. So the outlier is 8. And you should remember the mode sounds like most. It's the one that occurs the most often, which in this case is 1. Alright, so what I'm going to get you guys to do now is open up your textbooks and just answer these 6 questions. Thanks, everyone.